Welcome to my channel Raza Cool in English. So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you about all the buttons and functions of Blue Star Inverter AC remote in very detailed and simple words. So let's start the video. You can see the power button on the remote. With this you can turn AC on and off. After that the next button is temperature up-down button. Now the more you press the temperature down button, the temperature will decrease. The lower the temperature, the more cooling it will do. Its lowest temperature is 16 degrees. Now the more you press the temperature up button, the temperature will increase and the AC will start reducing the cooling. Its highest temperature is 30 degrees. If you just want cooling and also want to reduce electricity bill, then you should use 26. This is a very good temperature for our body also. And if you feel more cooling in 26 degrees, then you can set the temperature of your AC to 27 degrees. And if you are feeling hot in 26 degrees, then you can set the temperature of your AC to 25 or 24. After that the next button is fan. This is for the speed of the fan that is blowing air from the indoor unit. It works in 4 speeds. Currently the fan speed is in auto. Right now the fan speed is in low. Right now the fan speed is in medium. Right now the fan speed is on high. You can control the speed of the fan as per your convenience. If you want to cool the room quickly, then set the fan speed to high. After that the next button is mode. By pressing the mode button you will see the mode. Currently in cool mode. Currently in dry mode. Currently in fan mode. Currently the mode is in auto. Now I will tell you the information about the modes in detail in very simple words. After that, if you press the mode button again, cool mode will come. In cool mode, all the buttons on the remote of the AC will work, and in this mode the AC will cool. And in cool mode the AC will do the cooling as per your requirement. After that the next mode is dry. You can use dry mode in the rainy season. There is a lot of humidity and sticky heat in the rainy season, so using the AC in dry mode removes that humidity. After that the next mode is fan. The fan will not provide AC cooling, only the fan of the indoor unit will run. Suppose there is no fan in your room and you do not want AC cooling and you just want to use AC fan, then you can use fan mode. After that, if you press the mode button again, auto mode will come. In auto mode your AC will work automatically and the AC will work as per its own. If you feel that the cooling is more or less in auto mode, then you can also increase or decrease the cooling by using the temperature up and down button. Next button is temperature. By pressing the temperature button, the room temperature will start appearing in your AC. Next button is swing. This is the button for the front swing of the AC. It works in up and down. By using this swing, the cooling of the AC will spread quickly in the room. And wherever you want to stop the swing flap, by pressing this button your swing flap will stop there. Next button is energy saving. Energy saving button will save the energy of your AC and reduce the fan speed of the indoor unit. After that the next button is turbo. Generally what happens is that whenever we turn on the AC, the compressor turns on in 3 minutes, but by pressing the turbo button, the compressor starts in 1 minute and the speed of the fan of the indoor unit also increases significantly. Coming to the room and your room is very hot and you are feeling very hot in the room and you want quick cooling, then you can use the turbo button. In this the room cools down very quickly. After that the next button is sleep. By pressing the sleep button, the AC becomes silent And the use of sleep button is very good, like suppose you have kept the temperature of your AC at any temperature, then every 2 hours the temperature will automatically increase by 1 degree and you will not have trouble sleeping due to extreme cold. Next button is light. Pressing the light button will turn off the display of your AC, but your AC will remain on. You can use this button only to switch off the AC light. After that I will tell you about the function of timer. But you should keep one thing in mind, that before setting the timer, you will have to set the time of the clock, only then you will be able to use the timer. Now let me tell you how to set the time of the clock. First of all, you press the clock button. You can see the time on the remote, it is blinking. Now set the time using the temperature up and down button and press the clock button, your time will be set. Now press the timer on button and set the time from when you will use the time. After that, press the timer off button and set the time for how long you have to use the AC. After the AC is used, your AC will automatically turn off. Hope you have understood the information given by me, then do like my video.